Got quite a bit of snow last night.
Snowed last night. This is all fresh.
It's all fresh.
Sweet.
Can't understand why people litter. Everybody, when you pack in, make sure you pack out.
Yep.
I just don't understand why people leave trash like that.
Trail.
Yep.
Comes another. There. And a doggy.
Hold on. Back up. Just back up a little bit. All right. Driver side. Driver. Got it. Couldn't make it up there.
He's like, never mind. Screw this.
Yeah, it's way too icy.
I'm surprised that truck and that Jeep kept going. That truck was going to get stuck here.
Yeah, I was hearing your tire was just whining. So
it's
how-
too sleepy.
yeah, it is.
It's like ice.
Did you air down?
Yeah, you're down. But
Okay.
still, man.
Still not enough?
It's not enough.
Yeah. Well, it gets worse when you get up there.
You
Yeah.
came up from
Yeah.
the top?
Yeah. What was that?
I'm going to burn off some of that smell.
Yeah, do it.
Yeah.
Crank it up. that?
It's really cool up here. It's like nice and flat.
Can we get there?
Well, like if we put the fire up here, have the cars down there.
Oh,
But I mean, it's pretty steep, but it's nice and flat up here.
but we can't drive up there, can we?
I don't think so. No, but I mean, it's just open and it's flat.
Huh.
Looks like a fire went through here. Looks like a fire burned through here. It's too bad we couldn't park up here.
I know, right? It's nice and
Where's
flat.
the trail? The trail's like somewhere like right over here, right? Somewhere.
I think it is. It's not too far.
You like that berm? That looks like a berm kind of. Like right, somewhere like right there.
Are you running your diesel heater on high right now?
Yeah.
Yeah.
I smell it already.
Yep.
You smell it?
No.
Well, not up there.
Well, afternoon snack.
Get one of these forms.
This is from Costco, pineapple sausage.
Vallarta.
Vallarta. Oh wait, not from
This is
Costco.
Vallarta.
This is from Vallarta. Okay.
The Costco's pineapple bacon. Bomb.
Oh,
Really good.
gotcha.
This I've never tried. This is Vallarta.
All right.
It's just different. It's very more like machismo. Like when we put the caviar with the spoon on top. So the only reason I'm bringing it up, on Christmas Eve, I went to my little brother, and he's now like a caviar dealer or something. I don't know what that. He works in the restaurant industry, and he gets these, whatever restaurant he's working in, somewhere in LA, Hollywood or something. They sell caviar, and he gets deals from the chef or whatever. And
Man, I like the Land Cruiser. This thing is a beast. Got worn winch, steel bumper. I'm not sure what brand that is. Got Mickey Thompson, 35-inch. I think this is a mud terrain tires. Fully lifted, probably 3 to 5 inches. Got a tire carrier, full steel bumper. And there's a sleeping quarter, jerry can holders, his fridge. Very nice setup.
thank you, Mel.
Very nice yard.
Lots of it's a labor of love.
Yep, I agree. It's an awesome rig. And of course, my 4Runner is completely squat down.
That's because I'm sitting on it.
I think the future upgrade definitely is going to be stronger springs. Because I got a lot of stuff that I carry, and including the rooftop tent that weigh probably around 175 pounds, and the 180 awnings, that's probably about 50 to 60 pounds. So I got a lot of weight up there.
that I was a better man, that I was a better man. I'm sorry for my part that closed up your heart. Something wrong in me, it ain't your fault, sweetheart. I'm all alone and it hurts all the more, 'cause I wanted it this way, I asked for it this way. And I can't understand how I never learned to share. Am I some
What was that?
kind of case? Was I born this way?
Time. So we got what? Halfway?